In the car with me today, and we're gonna go for one hell of a ride.
How's it going, guys?
I'll try not to get sideways, but it'll be fun nonetheless. So introduce yourself.
My name is Chris Miller. Never been in a fast car before in my life. Yep, this is definitely the first fast car.
All right. How was that?
That was quick.
And that's where I work, so that's about how long it takes me to get to work.
That was like 15 seconds.
Felt like we were on ice there.
Yeah, it felt like we were going to start slipping to the side for a minute. Knees are kind of shaking there.
Well, that makes it for a better ride. Let's go back and see what that was. Boy, you can still see the smoke back there. Wow, look at that.
You can see the smoke in here.
Yeah, it was coming in here, wasn't it? Wow, not bad. Look at that.
Wow.
Not bad. Alright. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to Doc's Boost, now's a good time to do it.
Now's the time.
Get out there, have some fun, stay safe. Always buckle up, right, Chris?
Always.
And if, hey, leave some comments down below about some burnouts and some great exciting times you've had in your GT500 or any other car, as a matter of fact. As long as you're out there having some fun, let's talk about it. Hey, we'll see you real soon. Hey, and thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah.
Is that what
This is awesome. Yeah, so this is what you do.
This is what I do. Well, I didn't have a job, but this is what I do.
And I was looking at this wagon when we came in too. Oh man. Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Let's do one more right here in front of the house. Wake up the neighbors.
Wake them up. It's time to get up. But it just tore it right up.
Can you tell its tires get real sticky? You can all them rocks that cling to it and kick up.
So do you race this? Just like do you do a drag strip or like a track?
I do track.
Oh,
track
okay.
race. Road course stuff.
Real good. Real good. That was awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy.